Hey guys, KopitarG here, and today I got something new to show you. It's this package. Since you don't know what this is, I'm gonna tell you. It's a e-motorized scooter, so yeah, let's open it up. Bam! Look at this. Okay, so box number 2. Put this thing out. This thing is huge. I didn't know that thing was it's gonna be that huge.
That's what she said.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put this thing on the chair and pull it out. Oops. Oops. Two stuff just dropped. The third. Oh my fucking. Okay. One piece is out. Oh, it has a bell. Nice. Let's put it on a table right now. Okay, so what is left in the box is just some random papers, instructions, but in German or I don't know. Warranty list and another warranty list, but in German as well. What the hell? There's another warranty list and also in German. Okay. And there's some charging cables and there's some stuff on the ground as well. So let's take them out as well. Okay, so now my room is a bit too small to test this thing, so I'm just gonna unbox it and see what it's all about. The point I bought this, it was not expensive, and I just wanna see how these things work out. I mean, I wanted to have a motorcycle or a boosted board, but boosted boards are like 100 euros, I mean 1000 euros, and it's just too much money. I'm just gonna buy a drone first and then I will be out of money, so I said why not buy this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out later. Now I just need to set it up completely. So this is like one handle. It says L, so it's left. Here we go. I think that's it. Now I just need to untie it a bit more. Okay, so I guess it should be something like this, but wait, let's put it on the ground. Okay, so there's two of those. I think one is for accelerating and one is for braking, I think. Don't judge me. And there is the bell. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on my side or on the front. I'm gonna see later what fits the best. There's another handle. The LED works. It can flash, it can be a bit slower, and it can just slide on. And wait, let me pull it closer. It says hello, and the battery is almost full, and I'm going 0 kilometers, and I am okay. Let's see how is this working. Okay, so with these buttons, 0 means okay, no acceleration, I guess. So 1. Oh, it's going nuts. Holy shit. It's fast. You can see, look, I just pressed it a little bit. Oh my god. And I almost took away. I feel like crazy Russian hacker, I don't know. Okay, so a bit of backstory. If you're wondering, KopitarG, why did you buy this? I'm actually very interested in those stuff, like, for example, if you see Casey Neistat, he has a boosted board, and it's very convenient. I mean, it's very brilliant if you use it if you're in a town, because you cannot drive cars, it's often very busy roads, and the bike is just too big, so this is a proper thing to do if you don't want to walk. So it's pretty nice, and I think I'm gonna use it a lot, and I'm gonna do a test, but in the next video, so of course. So that was just a quick review, so thank you guys for watching, and as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye!